Today, we will be making Crockpot Italian sausage rotini. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound of ground Italian sausage. If you don't have sausage, try shredded chicken or ground turkey. You will also need a 16-ounce package of uncooked rotini. If you don't have rotini, try any other pasta that you do have. Next, you'll need 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 chopped onion, 1 16-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, and if you don't have Italian seasoning, try making your own with mixing together thyme, sage, rosemary, oregano, and basil. Other seasonings to add would be a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper. I also like to add a little bit of chili powder and cumin. Lastly, you will need 3 cups of beef broth and an 8-ounce bag of shredded mozzarella cheese. If you don't have beef broth, try vegetable broth or chicken broth. And if you don't have mozzarella cheese, really add any cheese that you do have. To start, fully cook your sausage in a skillet, and then add all ingredients besides the cheese into the crock pot. If you like your noodles a little more firm, wait to put them in 30 minutes before serving. Cover and cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or on high for 3 to 4 hours. Stir in the cheese until melted and it's ready to serve. Enjoy!